This 2016 Coachmen Freedom Express LTZ 322 RLDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachmen is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 6, spare tire kit, DVD player, air conditioning, water heater, TV antenna, external shower, TV, self-contained, auxiliary battery, awning, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Coachmen Freedom Express LTZ 322 RLDS is 7,409 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.